Lesson 2, Forex Fibonacci Extensions. The Fibonacci extension is a tool that helps you set profit targets. Similar to the Fibonacci retracement, this tool also uses the Fibonacci sequence ratios. Here's a quick recap of how the sequence looks. The ratio between any number in the sequence and the previous number is 1.618. Let's take a look at how to use these in your trading. In an uptrend, you draw a Fibonacci extension from the most recent swing low to the most recent swing high, and then back to the latest retracement. This will show you the two main levels at which you should set your price targets, 100% and 1.618% extension. As you can see, the price hit the first target, retraced a bit, and also hit the second target before reversing completely. Let's do the same for the downtrend. So draw the extension from the most recent swing high to the most recent swing low and back to the retracement, which gives your targets here and here.